I want to talk to you guys about the PowerStroke tailgate. You guys may have had issues with yours. I think even F-150s are very similar. And I just torn this thing apart and found out some things that I wanted to share with you guys. So it's opening perfectly fine now with the factory actuator. It was not working before. You could hit the button and it would just essentially make noises, but it would not open. Now we're good to go. So a couple things that I want to share with you guys. I actually ended up buying another actuator here. When I put this in, it did the exact same thing as the other one, and I marked the rods so that we knew exactly where it was placed. So here's what I did. Before I ordered the actuator, I adjusted both of these on both sides, and I actually brought them out because I felt like when I pushed on the tailgate, it would actually allow it to unlock. So my thought was that the tailgate was too tight. So I adjusted both of these 25 different times, never worked. And it seemed like it would get better for a couple days and then I'd have issues with it unlocking again. And so I ended up just thinking that the actuator was weak. So I went ahead and bought another one. And when I put it inside the tailgate, it was doing the exact same thing. What I found is that when these latches come in and latch onto this, they latch on both behind but over the top as well. And so I kept moving these back and forth and it wasn't working. What I did is I lowered it down a little bit further, and every situation is going to be a little bit different. But what was happening is the tailgate wasn't fully latching in, and it was putting a lot of tension in between the latch actuator that swings underneath and the latch. And so it wasn't able to actually come down far enough for that piece to swing in there and lock it in place. So there's a lot of tension there. What I did was I dropped that post down, allowing this to drop down further, and there's more slack in between that top lock actuator. And now I'm not having any issues at all. So I can close this and it opens right up. And also I will note, one of the times in the past on a different PowerStroke that I had, when we added on the bed cover, there was issues as well because there's additional resistance up here. Not having that issue now. As you can see, it opens right up like it should. And you might have to do this on both sides. It may not be the case for you at all, but definitely check this. And I will note as well that if you are coming in here and you hit your button and there's no resistance on this, you can see this coming all the way out. It's more than likely not your lock actuator that's giving you the problem. It's some kind of adjustment here. I recommend lubing it up with WD-40, whatever you want, and then also adjusting these on both sides to make sure you've got it in the right spot. Guys, thanks for joining in today. We've got a ton of videos on F350s of various years. If you're interested in that kind of thing, subscribe to the channel, and hope this helps you out.